The RYOBI 65-foot Laser Distance Measurer Operation Guide. Section 1. Basics and Features. This laser distance measurer allows for easy and precise measurements with simple one-button operation. To turn on, simply press the power button in the center of the unit. You'll notice this tool features continuous measurement, calculating distance in real time as you move the unit. This tool measures from the back of the unit, automatically accounting for the length of the tool, allowing for accurate measuring even when backed against a wall. Lock in your desired measurement by pressing the center button. Press the button once again to return to live measuring. Your previous measurement will remain saved above the current measurement. Finally, this laser distance measure delivers precise results with a convenient, easy-to-read digital screen that offers 5 different unit of measurement viewing modes. Section 2. Changing the unit of measurement. If the tool is already on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds or until it turns off. Once it is turned off, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds or until the unit indicator appears on the screen. Use the center button to toggle through the 5 unit selections. Once you have found your desired unit of measurement, press and hold the power button again for 5 seconds or until it turns off. Now press the power button once again to turn the tool back on. Your new selected unit of measurement should now appear on the screen, and your last saved measurement will also be converted to the new unit of measurement you selected. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.